Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Zen channel. It's so fresh. Today I talk about Geometric Model 2 ARK Innovative MATX keys. So friends, the Geometric Future, the Model 2 ARK inspired by cutting-edge architectural nuisance and AMATX enclosure seamlessly combine aesthetics, performance and customability. And friend, the Geometric Model 2 ARK is available both all matte white and black, and a luxury edition with curved glass panel and a space grid frame. Featuring up to 8 different installation options, the modern 2 ARK offers unmatched flexibility, empowering users to build a system that adapts to a range of hardware, and it is equipped with a patterned motherboard tray that allows for multiple GPU thickness in combination with mini ITX or AMATX motherboard, and you are able to adjust the mounting distance from the top mass panel to motherboard rear IO, and you can opt for both vertical or horizontal rendition for that. SFX and ATX PSU and friend, the ARK lays the motherboard with the rear IO facing the top of the case, which allow for a vertical GPU directly facing fresh air intake from the side panel. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the Model 2 ARK Black is priced at 169 USD dollar, white is also priced at 169 USD dollar, but the luxury edition is priced at $269. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.